up here, and I need 100% of your attention. Ooh, I love how Lolita and Omar just like, whoa, look right away. Sammy. All right, before we head to the carpet and transition to our lesson, okay, I got two things. First, okay, the materials that I want you to bring with you to the carpet is a pencil and your math notebook, okay? Second, after we're done with the lesson, everybody will spend at least 15 to 18 minutes doing Khan Academy with the assigned works on area, and then after that we can talk about if we earned Prodigy, since it's Friday. Okay? Alright, 1, 2, 3, eyes up here.
1, 2, eyes on you.
I love that. Great, Dustin. Alright, girls. Okay, when I say go, I want you to transition to the carpet with your notebook, with your pencil, and 100% of your enthusiasm. I know Omar's ready. Waiting for you, Cover. Waiting for you, Sammy, and your Repsy. Go. So this afternoon, our learning target is I will be able to find out, identify the area of a given shape. Okay? In our lesson this afternoon, okay, we are going to be talking about area. Raise your hand if you've heard of the word area before. Oh my gosh, almost everybody has heard of the word area before. Put your hands down. All right, now, using your background knowledge and your schema about area, I want you for about 20 seconds to turn and talk to your compañero and tell your compañero, what's your schema or background knowledge on area? Go.
What's your schema? My schema about area is that like you have a shape like square and like two squares, like there's squares, and you put as many squares there until there's one and the other way
Take about 10 more seconds.
What I know about area is that each side of a square and half a square. There's two half of the squares and then.
Okay, let's wrap up our conversations in 5, 4, Flores, and 3, 2, 1, and 0. Who wants to share with the group what they've discussed with their partner, Lolita?
Now I think I need one square unit.
And one was
What?
counting squares.
Counting squares. Jordan.
It's like there's different shapes like a triangle, a circle, or a square, and you put like let's say there's 12 squares in there, and the other person went to check the square units, and it was 12 square units. They would have to count them up.
I like how you have all this schema about area, okay? And you're talking about square units, you're talking about shapes. Okay, so really quick, and going back to that learning target, okay? Area is actually the amount of square units, exactly what you just said, Jordan, needed to fill the inside of a space. Cash, are you with us? So for example, let's look at this shape on the board. Okay, let's look at this rectangle on the board. Everything that's shaded with green is the area. Okay, the green space inside our rectangle, okay, is the area of our shape. Okay, what does that necessarily mean? Okay, right now it will be Miss Thomas' turn to think, okay, because I will be modeling, okay, how we can look for and find the area of a shape. For example, I want you to picture our rectangle as this rectangle on the board. I asked myself, Well, I know that area is the amount of square units need to fill inside a space. In this case, I have a rectangle. Okay, so going back to the square units, well, it's the amount of square units. So what I need to do is I will count each square inside my rectangle. Okay, so I will tell myself, count each square inside the rectangle. So for example, in this case, how many square units do we have together?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
To find the area, you can count the number of squares, just like how we did it right now. So what do you think the square area is of this rectangle, Samantha?
6?
6. Just 6?
No, I know.
Grazie.
Square unit.
Can we all say 6 square units?
6 square units.
Okay. Before I move on, does anyone have any questions?
No.
Okay, we're gonna do a turn and talk. I want you for just 10 seconds. Not right now. Just for 10 seconds. Tell your partner one important thing about finding the area when you're given a shape. Go. What's one Okay, let's get back together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Jesse, Cash. Okay, I love how about 80% of the kids right now in the group are giving me their full attention. I am waiting for about 2 more. Give me 1 sec, I see you. Cash. Okay, guess what? There is one more way that can help us find the area. And really, this way, we can use all our background knowledge and our schema to help us find the area. Okay, so let's look at the rectangle on the bottom. Okay, remember how we practiced last time about the length and the width?
Yes. Yes.
We can use that to help us find the area of this rectangle by multiplying the length and the width, okay, of our shape. So in this case, going back to rectangle, the length of our rectangle is 3 feet. And the width of our rectangle, Cash, is what?
5 feet.
What's the width of a rectangle?
5 feet.
Good. So we need to multiply the length times width, which is 3 times 5. Multiplication facts, what does that give us? What area does that give us, Lolita?
15?
15. Just 15?
15 square units?
Okay, can we all say 15 square units?
15 square units.
Okay. I will be modeling, again, using a grid paper, how we can visualize this and draw it when we are working on our own. While I model it, I need all materials and pencil in front of you, okay? My expectations of you, I didn't say go yet. I'm still giving instructions. My expectations of you, okay, are I need your eyes on the board. And if you have any questions, we raise our hands. Échale más ganas. We raise our
Hands.
So right now, I will be modeling, okay, questioning and going back to my schema of how to find an area of a shape. Okay, so Omar, can you remind us, what is the area again? What's an area again?
An area is the amount of square that is in a shape.
Okay, it's the amount of square units, that's right, square units to fill inside the shape. We're given a shape that looks like this. Well, I know the area is the amount of space needed. So that means I need to count the square units inside my shape, right? So then I start counting the square inside my space or shape. 1,
3, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56.
55. Oh my gosh, I almost ran out of breath.
56.
Is it just 56?
56 square units.
Oh my gosh, it's 56 square units. That was a lot of square units.
I didn't want
Okay,
to.
now, guess what? There's an easier way that can help us find the area of our square. Okay, that is, you ready? We use multiplication, right? So we find out our width and our what?
Length.
Length. So what's our length? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8. 8. Let's find our width.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, if we multiply 8, oh wait, times 7, that will give me, Adrian,
56.
give me a thumbs up if you agree with Adrian. Okay, does anyone have any questions?
No.
Okay, moving on. This time, I'm going to draw a shape on the board and on my grid paper. And what I want you to do, okay, on the carpet and independently really quick, is I want you to try out finding the area by first counting the square units inside their shape, and then second, show me how you can use the length and the width by multiplying them into finding the area. Give me a thumbs up if this is clear. Okay, Omar, what's the first step?
We count the square units that are in the shape.
Okay, what's the second step? Alan,
I forgot.
what's the second step? Lolita,
The second step is to find the length and width
by doing what?
by counting.
What do we do with the length and the width?
Multiply it.
Multiply it. Okay, in your math notebook, really quick, I need you to copy what's up here.
What? No. Wait, Miss Palmer, can we just do one?
If you have a question, what do we do?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Do we have to count them before we do that, or do we just?
You can do either one, but